First thing, whenever you're entering through the main gate of the Luo homestead, that one is the main gate. So if you get in through the main gate, the hut that you see facing the gate direct, that one will be the hut of the first wife. Whereby this hut, if you see it, it's facing the gate direct. So this one is the hut of the first wife. The first wife is called Mikai. And the second wife was supposed to build a hut on the right hand side of the Mikai's hut. So that one is the hut of the second wife. The second wife is called Nyachiro. And you know, Mzee Odero had 3 wives. So the third wife was supposed to build a hut on the left hand side. So if you see that one is the hut of the third wife. The third wife is called Reru. So in a Luo homestead, a man was allowed to have his own hut when he had more than one wife. So this one is the hut of the man. It is called a villa. And we also have this one. It's called a beach Germany. It was used to keep small animals like sheep, goats, and all those other small animals. And we have also this extension over to tie the cow and donkeys. Yes, and Mzee Odero also had 2 sons. The first son was supposed to build his hut on the right hand side closer to the gate, and the second son on the left. Reasons to why the sons were building the hut closer to the gate, they were acting as a line of security for defense. So, and we also have this small hut. It's called Dero in Luo, but in English it is called a granary. It was used to store the house. So that's all.
Hilo sana.